Hi, this is Bastian from AndroidPIT. The year 2017 wasn't really a good one for HTC. They introduced the U11 and U11 Plus, two really good phones that simply didn't pick up that much traction. Now it's time for the U12 Plus, the new version for 2018. We finally have the phone here in-house, so let's unbox it together and see what's inside. As you can see, this is actually not the full retail version of the phone, or at least the box. It's simple and white, but everything that's inside is what you will get when you actually buy the phone. So let's open it up. As you can see, don't worry, it's gonna look better when you actually buy the phone. Let's put this aside real quick. So as you can see, we kind of get quite a few things. First of all, we have the power adapter, the European version in this case, with a USB connector on the back. Of course, we have the cable, USB Type-C, to charge the phone. As you can see, it's pretty long, it seems to be like, which is always a nice thing to have. And the quite special headphones that HTC gives out with their bigger phones, because these are not like the standard version of headphones you normally get. Those are actually noise cancelling headphones, which is really nice. And they haven't disappointed in the past. Also, well, 2 ear tips extra, so they actually fit your ear, which is obviously important with headphones. And you get this little key to open the SIM card tray and micro SD tray. You also instantly get this case. It's actually hard plastic. It's not TPU, not silicon, which we normally see with these kind of phones. In this case, it's really hard plastic. So that's yeah, what you get inside the box, and of course the phone itself. We already shown you this phone in our hands-on video, but of course we will go over it a little bit. It's a really decent phone. It doesn't have a notch, as you can see. The bezels are not that small, but in my opinion, my personal opinion, that's actually fine. This phone does have actually something really special, and those are the buttons here on the side. Which are not physical buttons, they're just like elevated areas. And when you press them, you get a vibration as feedback, which is really interesting. I haven't seen that before. We need to see in the review and in the coming weeks if this is really good or if it's actually a negative point about this phone. As you can see, we have the dual camera on the back and the fingerprint sensor and this shiny glass back. As you can see on the video, I guess. There are a lot of fingerprints. It's glass, so yeah. We also have dual camera on the front, so 4 cameras in total. At the top, sorry, there's a microphone, and on the bottom we also have a microphone, a loudspeaker, and the USB Type-C port. On the other side, we have the SIM tray, and yeah, that's basically it. So that's the new HTC U12 Plus. All in all, it's a really great phone. It really feels solid and satisfying in a way compared to other phones on the market. We're gonna run it through its paces in the next days and weeks. If you want to know everything about this phone that we know so far, please check out our hands-on video. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.